We are very excited about the new Insta360 X5 that you have in your hand right there.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I have also gotten a test device, but I haven't really dug into it. I've
Yeah.
been reading reviews. I've read your review of as it came out. Uh, and I think that I feel, and maybe you also feel, that there's a lot of information that's not been properly digested by people. People seem to have questions about specifically whether this is, you said in your video, a revolutionary upgrade or an evolutionary upgrade. And so I think we're
Yeah.
going to talk about that a little bit more. Let me start
Uh-huh.
off very quickly with your. I know you have put in your initial thoughts on your own
Yeah.
YouTube channel, 360 Rumors with the V.
Uh-huh.
Anybody that's interested should go to that. What I mean, you talked about the revolutionary part of it. So I would like to maybe
Yeah.
talk a little bit more about this revolution, about what you call as a singularity, big words
Yeah.
for a
Yeah.
360 camera. So let's start with there and then kind of
Yeah.
take it step by step.
It's some people didn't understand why it was revolutionary. Let me talk about it a little bit. Uh, uh, like a few years ago, or about the people used to shoot with compact cameras, say the Lumix or other small cameras. But at some point, smartphones got good enough that they could replace the compact camera. The image quality was still better for a compact camera, but not by much. And at the same time, smartphones were a lot more convenient to use. You can see there's this graph in sometime in 2010, like sales for compact cameras just plummeted because at that point, smartphones just replaced them. My thesis is the same thing will be happening between 360 cameras and traditional action cams GoPro, because
Mm,
GoPro it has dominated the action cam space forever. But here comes the 360 cameras. Now you have better stabilization. You have a third-person view. You have the ability to reframe it and capture different perspectives, all that stuff. The only problem is it had a lot of pain points. The lens was fragile. If you can't really protect it very well. If you hit it on the ground or some other hard object and the lens is scratched, your camera is pretty much dead. That's one. Another is the quality of the video. It's not as good as the GoPros. You That's another compromise, and yet another compromise is probably the biggest one from my perspective is that it takes time to edit it. Like after you shoot it, it's great that you can easily capture everything, but afterwards you still have to load it
make a
to
compelling
your
video. Yeah.
computer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you still have to edit it. You have to choose the view. It's just a hassle. I think those are the three things that stopped a 360 camera from overtaking GoPros, even though it had many advantages. Now with the X5, it addressed those three things. The lens is now user replaceable on the field.
Correct.
Like if you had
Correct.
a replacement lens case, you could do it in less than 5 minutes. You don't have to send it back to Insta360 or something. And it's cheap. It's like $39 for
Yeah.
the
It's pretty cheap.
replacement lens kit. Yeah, it's totally affordable, right? And then the video quality, I compared it with a GoPro Hero 12, which has the same sensor as the Hero 13. And I mean, if you were to video, you can see that the GoPro Hero 12 has higher bit depth, looks richer, so-called. But for most people, I don't think they're gonna care. And then
Mm,
image quality is addressed. And then best of all is the ease of use because it now has this like a reframe mode, like an automatic reframe mode. They call it InstaFrame. You
right.
could just becomes as easy to use as the GoPro. You just start recording, and then it captures the third person view, what you want from a 360 camera. And then when you stop recording, the reframe video is right there on the camera, ready for you to download. In fact, if you have an iPhone, you can just tap a button there, and it will automatically download it to your phone. It's going to show up in your phone gallery. It's like as easy to use as a GoPro.